So now, I want to answer questions sent regarding market capitalization. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Hope you guys are good and well. We're still here in Singapore making videos based on the questions that you've asked via my website marvingkermo.com or all of the questions that you've posted via social media. So if you're new to this Facebook page, like. If you're new to this YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe so that you get updated every time we post new content, all with the goal and the heart to help you reach your goals of financial freedom so you can trade the markets with ease and confidence. So now, I want to answer questions sent regarding market capitalization. I've seen a lot of people asking, what does market capitalization really mean, and how does that connect to you trading and analyzing stocks that you actually want? So here's the thing. Market capitalization is basically this. It's the outstanding shares that are out in the market multiplied by the actual stock price. So what does this mean? If all of the shares that are out, meaning shares by stock investors, shares by institutions, and shares that are held by the company itself are all sold at the market price, that would be the value of the company. It's one de facto and easy way for people to know what the peso or dollar amount of the company is should they sell all their shares in just one go. So market capitalization is one easy benchmark for people to actually have an ideology of what a company could be worth at a specific market price if all the shares are sold. So how does that affect you in terms of how you analyze your stocks for the short, mid, and long term? Couple of things. Number one, for me, a stock can have a high market capitalization if it has a lot of shares that are out there. Meaning, a high market cap means also a lot of shares are out there and a lot of people have been positioned, involved, trading, investing, or holding the stock. Next, how can the market capitalization be higher if the outstanding shares are bought at a relatively higher price? You have to understand this: the higher your stock price and the more shares that you have out there, the higher your market cap. The higher your market cap, the more shares you have, the more credible also the market perceives your stock to be. And here's the thing: stocks that have high market capitalizations normally are stocks which have stock prices that have moved up so high. You have to understand you can only have a high market cap if your stock price has gone up relatively higher. I mean, you can only have a high market cap if your stocks have gone up a bit higher, given that your outstanding shares remain the same. So the higher the market cap, there's a possibility that these stocks have moved up in price for quite some time already. The higher the market cap, also the harder it is for it to be manipulated. You have to understand this: stocks that have been bumped up, stocks that have been hyped, stocks that move up are normally stocks with low liquidity, and also part of it having low liquidity is having stocks having a very very low market cap as well. And another way for you to compare other companies is you can compare, for example, check market caps of, for example, same companies within the same industry, like Double Dragon versus Mega World, Double Dragon versus RLC, Double Dragon versus ALI. Check how big the market cap of these stocks are as compared to what they're actually earning. It can give you a concept already. Why does this company have a high market cap when they're not actually earning much? It already tells you that, is it actually worth pay for this stock at this point in time, given that they're priced this high and this expensive already as compared to what they are getting as well. So it can be a soft benchmark for you to be able to analyze it. And you have to understand this: the PSEI is based on a market capitalization based index. That's why you will notice the stocks that are in the PSEI are normally stocks or companies which have a high market cap. The higher the market cap, the higher its influence in the PSEI. So if you want to have, I guess, a semblance of what stocks will possibly have a higher weight in the index, base it on their market cap, because the higher their market cap, the higher the possibility that they remain in the index, the higher the possibility that they will have a higher influence. And the stocks that have high market caps are normally stocks that you all know already. These are the ACs, the ALIs, the SMs, the SM Prime Holdings, stocks that the PDO stocks that have a large amount of stocks or shares that are out in the market. And aside from it having a large amount of shares, they have they have gone up already and they have run up already for quite some time. Another way to look at it as well is this: stocks that have high stock prices also normally have smaller shares, but stocks uh, that have smaller stock prices, meaning the stock price is relatively lower, normally have more shares out in the market, meaning their market cap head to head may have a chance to be almost the same. So I hope this answers your question. It's something that can help you, and these are terms that for some people they've invested already in the market, but they haven't really understood what it is. So I hope this basic video gave you a semblance of what it is, and it gives you a better understanding of what the market is, because at the end of the day you will go as far as what you know, you will go as far as how deep your understanding is on what the market is, so that these jargons don't intimidate you, especially for those who are new. I understand when I was relatively new into investing, there was so much jargons, there were so many things to understand, and there were things that I took the wrong way because I thought that was what it actually means. So expect more and more videos like this. I'll keep making videos so that more and more Filipinos get educated on what the proper way of investing is. So this is Marvin Germo from Singapore. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon.